I'm Rosa Payson, your real estate specialist. Are you about to close on your dream home? Before you sign, there is a crucial step you can't skip. You could avoid major headaches and unexpected costs with a simple final walkthrough. So what is a final walkthrough and why is it important? The final walkthrough is your last chance to make sure everything in the house is as agreed. Verify that all repairs were completed. Confirm appliances and systems are working. Check for any new damages. When you're buying a home, it is very important to check the day of closing. That's the day I prefer. And if you can't, the night before, the day before. That everything is the way you first saw it when you walked through the house or you went with the inspector to do the inspection. Because there could have been issues in the meantime. How about a flooding because a pipe burst? Or maybe a fire that you didn't know about? Or the AC stopped working? So those are all things that you should check out with your realtor. In one instance, for example, we found a broken window. Some kids from the neighborhood had thrown a stone and broke the window. So up to the minute when you sign, it's the seller who is responsible for the upkeep and the maintenance of the house. Another good tip for you, so hit like, follow me, and comment. When you're buying a home, it is very important to do the final walkthrough the day of closing, that's the day I prefer, or the day before if needed. You want to make sure everything is just the way you first saw it during your initial walkthrough or when you are there with the inspector. Because things can happen in the meantime. A pipe might burst, causing flooding. A fire might break out, or the AC could stop working. Here's what to do during your walkthrough. Test lights and appliances. Lower the AC temperature to make sure it works. Check ceilings, walls, and windows for damage. Who should go with you? Your realtor should be right there with you, just like I am with my buyers. Don't leave this last step to chance. It matters. And sometimes during your final walkthrough, you might even find a lovely surprise. A small gesture that makes moving in even more special. If you're finding this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, share this video, and follow me for more real estate tips. So what can go wrong if you skip it? Skipping the walkthrough could lead to maybe a broken AC, damaged walls, switched or non-working appliances, trash or leftover furniture, and at that point, the problem is yours if you sign. Well, until that moment, when you sign, the seller is responsible for the condition and maintenance of the home. Would you like a free downloadable checklist for your final walkthrough? Just leave me a comment or send me a message. And don't forget to follow for more practical home buying tips. The final walkthrough is your last line of defense before you sign. Don't skip it. Inspect, verify, and close with peace of mind. In my next video, I'll share more tips to help you avoid headaches when buying or selling a home. I'm Rosa Payson, your real estate doctor, taking away aches and pains of buying or selling a home. See you in the next one.